All right, buckle up, folks, because we are diving into the world of feline behavior. Picture this: you've had a long day, you crawl into bed, ready to drift off into dreamland, and bam! You're hit with the unmistakable scent of cat pee. Ain't that a rude awakening? So, why does your fur friend insist on using your bed as their personal porta potty? Let's break it down. First off, let's get one thing straight. Your cat isn't doing this out of spite. They're not plotting revenge for that time you forgot to refill their food bowl. No, there's usually a deeper reason behind their interesting choice of bathroom location. Before we jump to conclusions, it's essential to rule out any potential health issues. Just like us humans, cats can experience medical problems that might lead to inappropriate elimination. Things like urinary tract infections, kidney issues, or even diabetes can make your cat's bathroom habits go haywire. So if your kitty suddenly starts using your bed as a litter box, it's time for a trip to the vet. Believe it or not, cats can get stressed out too. Maybe you brought home a new fur friend, or perhaps there's been a change in your living situation. Heck, even rearranging the furniture can throw some kitties into a tizzy. When cats feel anxious or overwhelmed, they might resort to peeing on your bed as a way to cope. It's their version of leaving a sticky note saying, "Hey, I'm not okay right now." The joys of feline territorialism. Cats are creatures of habit and they like to mark their territory to feel safe and secure. Your bed, with its cozy blankets and familiar scent, is like the ultimate security blanket for your kitty. By spraying a little urine around, they're basically saying, "This is mine, all mine." It's like they're staking their claim of the comfiest spot in the house. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the litter box. It might seem like a perfectly fine place for your cat to do their business, but sometimes they beg to differ. If the litter box isn't up to snuff, whether it's too dirty, too small, or just not to your cat's liking, they might seek out other accommodations. Think of it like refusing to use a public restroom because it's too grimy. Can't really blame them, can you? Alright, so now that we've got the handle on why your cat might be treating your bed like a toilet, let's talk solutions. After all, nobody wants to wake up to a soggy mattress every morning, am I right? First things first, schedule a little powwow with your vet. Get your fur ball checked out to rule out any underlying health issues. It might just be a simple case of kitty UTI, in which case a round of antibiotics could clear things right up. Better safe than sorry, folks. Next up, let's tackle that stress factor. If your cat's feeling frazzled, it's time to channel your inner Zen master. Create a calm and comforting environment for your kitty. Maybe set up a cozy hiding spot where they can retreat when the world gets a bit too much. And hey, some soothing music or a little aromatherapy couldn't hurt either. The humble litter box. Often overlooked, but oh so important. Take a good hard look at your cat's bathroom situation. Is the litter clean and fresh? Is the box big enough for your cat to comfortably do their business? Experiment with different types of litter to see what your cat prefers. And don't forget to scoop regularly. Trust me, your cat will thank you for it. Last but not the least, let's talk territory. Make your bed a less appealing target for your cat's territorial antics. Try placing aluminum foil or double-sided tape on the bed to deter them. And hey, maybe toss a few extra comfy blankets around the house to spread out that cozy vibe. The goal here is to make your bed seem less like a territory to be marked and more like a place to catch some Z's. So there you have it, folks, the lowdown on why your cat might be treating your bed like a litter box. From health issues to stress to good old territorial instincts, there are a myriad of reasons why Fluffy might be indulging in some less than desirable bathroom behavior. But fear not, with a little detective work and a whole lot of love, you and your furry friend can nip this problem in the bud. After all, nobody likes waking up to a soggy surprise, am I right? If you enjoyed this video, we would really appreciate a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a new video in the future. Thanks for watching.